Hello and welcome to this question. Please, if this is the first time you are visiting our channel, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. It will help us very much. Alright, so this question says that divide 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x plus 6 by x plus 2. So we are going to use the polynomial long division. So let me clean this since I can possibly take the entire page. Alright, so since the 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x plus 6 is the numerator, that will go inside of the radical symbol. So we have 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x plus 6, and that is being divided by x plus 2. Now watch carefully what we are supposed to do. So what we will do is we pick this x and then compare it to the first term of the polynomial here. So it's almost like 2x cubed divided by x. That is what it means. So you can see here that this x will cancel one of this x here, so that this will give you 2x squared, and that is what you write on top of this 2x cubed. So on top of this 2x cubed, you write your 2x squared, because x will go into 2x cubed 2x squared times. So 2x squared. Now, once you've gotten this 2x squared, what we are going to do is you're going to use this 2x squared to multiply each of the terms of the denominator. So you use 2x squared to multiply x, then you write it under the first term. Then 2x squared multiplied by 2, you write it under the 3x squared as well. So 2x squared times x is going to give you 2x cubed. So 2x cubed. Then the symbol here is addition. The operator is addition here. So 2x squared times positive 2 is going to give you positive 4x squared. So it's going to give us positive 4x squared. Now you write your brackets or indicate your brackets, then you bring your subtraction sign here. It's similar to how we do our normal long division. You bring your subtraction sign and you underline it nicely. Then we do our subtraction starting from here. So this is how you say it, 3x squared minus 4x squared. So 3x squared minus 4x squared. You can see that this is going to give you negative x squared. So that is what you write here, negative x squared. And then you can see that 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is going to be 0. So there is no need to write anything here. Then you know that when we are doing our normal long division, once we are done with one part, we bring one term down. So the term that we are supposed to bring down is negative 5x. So negative 5x, we have brought it down. Then what we did here, we do the same thing. X will go into negative x squared how many times? So it's similar to x, negative x squared over x. So the same thing that we did. So x will cancel one of the x's here, so that this is going to give us negative x. And that is what you write on top of the positive 3. So negative x. and then you do the multiplication again. Take the negative x times x. So the negative x times x is going to give us negative x squared. Then negative x times positive 2. That is going to give us negative 2x. Negative 2x. So we have negative 2x. Then you indicate your bracket. Then you bring your minus sign. And you underline it nicely. Now you do the same thing that we did here. Minus 5x minus 2x. So this is negative 5x minus negative 2x. Negative is going to be positive. So we are getting negative 5x plus 2x. So negative 5x minus 2x. That is going to be negative 5x plus 2x. That is negative 3x. So when you are doing this, you have to take your time and look at where you are going to get negatives, because sometimes if you don't take care, it can confuse you. So we have negative 3x. Then we come to this side, negative x squared minus x squared. So the plus applies here again. So negative x squared plus x squared. That means they will cancel off, because negative x squared plus x squared will become 0. Now once we are done with this, it means you have to bring the next term down, and that is positive 6. So plus 6. Then you go again. X will go into negative 3x how many times? That is going to give us negative 3. Then you write it on top, negative 3. Then you take it again, negative 3 times x. That will give you negative 3x. And then negative 3 times positive 2. That is negative 6. So you underline it nicely, you indicate your brackets. And then you bring your minus symbol. And then negative 3x minus 3x, that's going to be 0. Then 6 minus 6, that will be 12. So because 6 minus will be plus, so 6 plus 6 is 12. So what it means is that when we divide this by x plus 2, we are going to get this quotient and this remainder, and this is how we will write it. It means we are getting 2x squared minus x minus 3 plus 12 over the denominator was x plus 2. So that becomes your answer. Alright, thank you very much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel to help us grow. See you in another video. Goodbye.